To all my friends out there. So this is my baked pork roast, and I put a little Heinz 57 or steak sauce on it. And I have some instant mashed potatoes. And I have some red cabbage. And then I made a little 1/16 teaspoon cinnamon with some mint tea. And this is a pretty festive little meal, as well as fairly inexpensive. So what I did was I just put 1 jar of red cabbage, and I covered the cabbage with water, and I added a pork roast, and I put a little garlic, salt, and pepper, and then I covered and baked it at 350 for about 2.5–3 hours. And this is really good. And for the leftover pork, I can make a few tacos or burritos. But this is a good little German meal, and I have a little sour cream on the instant mashed potatoes. This is really easy and really good, and so God bless you all.